Introducing the new Modicon M580, the world's first ePAC with Ethernet built right into its core.
Hey look, I just received the new ePAC.
Oh, so what has our fan of new technologies found now?
It's the new Modicon M580 from Schneider Electric. It's a pack with Ethernet built right into its core.
So it's just a pack with a standard backplane.
The M580 is much more than a simple pack. Ethernet at the core of a pack. It's a real revolution. It changes the way we think about automation architectures.
What do you mean?
Well, standard Ethernet is native to the M580 ePAC. Its internal bus is Ethernet. The racks and specialized modules are Ethernet. And all of the equipment connected to the field bus will be automatically recognized and will speak Ethernet too.
So you don't need to configure it anymore?
Everything becomes transparent, simple, and implicit with minimal implementation on the same network, from the control level all the way to the field buses. And that's not all. The architecture is flexible. You can easily change it. This allows you to connect what we already have.
And what happens if the software is not based on Unity Pro?
Well, Unity Pro includes software converters to easily upgrade your PL7 and Concept legacy software applications.
Great, this is impressive. But how do the microprocessors handle all the processing, communications, and applications?
It's really not a problem at all. Instead of using many processors, they have integrated a new Spear processor which uses ARM technology. It has a double core, which means the M580 ePAC has twice as much data processing power and with lower power consumption.
Really? But using Ethernet to monitor and configure everything must use a lot of bandwidth.
This is the beauty of the ePAC. Standard Ethernet is embedded. It clears all bottlenecks.
Okay, but by using Ethernet, haven't you just opened the system to be hacked remotely?
Not at all. Hackers will be completely blocked. The M580 is natively secured against cyber threat.
Okay, but how do we make sure we retain the performance of our process?
First, the Ethernet protocol used for the I/Os is deterministic. And second, all of the information is time-stamped at the very source with up to 1 millisecond accuracy. Schneider Electric is transforming standard Ethernet into an industrial network with determinism, high availability and reliability, and most importantly, transparency. Connecting devices with the M580 ePAC is based on standard FDT technology. You can configure and operate and diagnose problems with one hand tied behind your back.
So this is going to help save a lot of commissioning time?
Yes, and don't forget the diagnostics. Once again, the ePAC natively embeds a web page that can be reviewed on any device.
What do you mean exactly?
See, I can read a clear and detailed diagnostic report right from my iPad.
But I need to have an external Wi-Fi gateway. That is not easy to implement.
No, but the X80 family includes Wi-Fi modules embedded in the backplane.
Well, this is so much better than other PLCs which embed a tiny HMI that I can't see anything. It's too small.
Oh yes, definitely. And you can even customize it with graphs, meters, and change the colors and logos of the web page. All this without an external editor.
Wow, with this ePAC saving us so much work, I can retire without worrying. You're doing a great job.